The Greenworks 48V 19-inch cordless lawn mower is a highly efficient tool, providing up to 35 minutes of runtime with its two fully charged 4.0 amp-hour batteries, making it a reliable choice for any yard work. Its durable 19-inch steel deck not only allows quick and easy handling of large grassy areas, but is also powered by a brushless motor that offers more torque, quiet operation, and a longer life. The mower boasts a 7-position height adjustment lever that ensures the best cut in any environment, and a 2-in-1 design for versatile use, offering both mulching and side discharge options. One of the notable features of this lawnmower is its maintenance-free operation, eliminating the need for gas or oil and offering an easy push-button start. The Greenworks 48V 19-inch lawnmower comes with a USB port in the battery, effectively turning it into a portable power station that can charge all portable electronic devices, making it an excellent choice for outdoor activities like camping or sporting events. The mower is backed by a 3-year warranty, ensuring the protection of your investment and adding to its overall value.